Hey everybody, this is Aaron. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to take a look at how to use the Documents tool in Oracle AI Agent Studio. We're going to create a simple agent which can answer questions based on the document that we upload. Hey, this is Aaron. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I make videos on Oracle ERP Cloud and EPM. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead and create this. I'm going to go to Tools, AI Agent Studio, and go to Tools. We're going to create a new tool. The tool type will be Document. I'm going to copy and paste a few of the details. Family will be common, product will be other. And I'm going to copy and paste the details of the description. So once you've provided these details, click on Add. And I'm going to give it a name. So BIP reports catalog. I'm going to copy the same description here. And I am going to drag and drop the file. Let me first do that, then I will show you what the file looks like. Okay, so while that's happening, this is how the file looks like. It has details of the report. I just, created this for the sake of this video. But you could imagine a document which has details of all of the custom BA publisher reports and OTBI reports. And the users could ask questions like, what does this report do? Where can I find the report? Who can access this report? So all of those kind of questions can be now done using this AI. I'm just giving you a simple example. Obviously, you can upload other documents, but this is a very good example of how you can use AI Agent Studio to enhance the experience of the users. All right, so I have uploaded the file. I'm going to change the status from draft to ready to publish. And then I would click Save here. Then I would click Create here, okay? All right, I'm going to select BIP. We can see our tool here. And if I go into the detail, you would see it is ready to publish. So we have to complete one step after this for this to be published. So let me go back to the instance and we go to Tools, Schedule Processes or Schedule Processes. And let's click on Schedule New Process. We are going to run a process called Process. I think it's called as Process Agent Documents. Let's make sure I got it right. It's called Process Agent Documents. You click OK. Then there are no parameters. You can click on Submit. Click OK. Let's wait for it to finish. Let's take a few seconds for it to finish. Okay, it's completed now. I'm going to go back to here and cancel this. We're going to reopen this. You should see that now the status shows as published. So now we are ready to create the AI agent. Now there are two ways you can do this. You can either first create an agent here, and you create an agent, then you go to AI agent teams, then create an agent team, associate the agent with the agent team. The other option is to directly go to agent teams, create an agent team. When you're creating the agent team, it will also allow you to create a new agent. So you can do it from there. But for the sake of this video, let's start from here. So we created the tool. Now let's go ahead and create the agent. Click on Add and give a name. So I'm just going to give this get BIP. Oh, you know what? VIP Report Advisor Agent. So let's call it that. Agent code will be, so we don't have common. I'm just going to select Fin, product, other. Maximum interaction is 10. and then I will copy and paste this here. Provide answers to users based on the BIP cat, which includes details of because okay, let's do that. And the prompt, I'm going to copy and paste this prompt here. Keep it fairly simple. The user asks about a report, read the document, then provide details to the user. No need to ask follow-up questions. I'll provide details available in the document. Okay. All right. So to LLM, this is fine. We don't need to worry about all of this. Input variables, output, no need to worry about it. I'm going to click on create. This would create the agent for you. So if I click on these three dots, I can go ahead and edit the details of the agent. It gives you two options, tools and topics. We will cover topics later on, but we created the document tool. So let's go ahead and add the tool here. So I'm going to select or search for BIP. I give you this and click on add. Shows you the details of the tool and you can see the status. It says it's published and click on add. Right here, you can click on create. Right? So you've created the tool, you've created the agent. In the agent, you have associated the tool. Then let's go ahead and create the agent team. So we'll keep the same name, BIP reports advisor agent. Okay. Oh. All right. So other type is, I'm going to select sequential. Maximum interactions is 10. And provide the description. I should have probably copied the description for there. Answer users' questions about reports based on the BIP catalog, which includes details of custom BIP and attributes. Okay. LLM is good. Security. So you can add security here. So I'm just going to select something just to show you can add. Okay. Or FND. Okay, I'm just going to select this, but you can obviously select other roles as applicable. I'm clicking on apply. You can provide starter question. So I'm going to provide a question like what reports are available in what are the custom if I could type available. Okay. And let's also ask a question around, okay, let's ask customer open balance. What information does the report provide? Let's ask one more question. Where can I find the report? All right, I think that's good. Click on create and let's add agent. So we create the tool, create the agent. In the agent team, we're going to add the agent. So you'll see that there's an option to create a new agent. So this is another option. You don't have to create the agent first. You could come to agent team and then create the agent from here. So that's another option. So I'm going to search for BIP and you can see that the available agents, we have one. I'm going to click on add and it's going to show you the details and click on add and it will add the agent here. Okay, so clicking on this settings icon will give you the details about the agent team. You can edit the details. Clicking on here on the view details, you can see shows me details about the agent. I can expand this. I can see the details about the tool itself. Okay, we don't have any topics, so nothing to view there. Okay, once this is done, we can now check this out, right? Whether it's working or not. So I'm going to click on debug, and let's see the first question. So I'm going to ask what reports are what. Oh, okay, the question itself is wrong. Okay, hopefully it understands what I'm trying to ask. Ideally, it should list all of the reports from the document that we have provided. In fact, it's a document. And you can see that it lists all of the reports available in the application, right? And you can click on sources. It'll show you the document that it is referencing. Okay. Now, let me go ahead and ask, where can I find this report? Okay. Now, it should go and find the details about this report and give you back the path to the report. Okay, so you can see that you can find the backlog summary report at the following path, and it also provides you the description. Now let me ask one more question. So who can access? Okay, so you can see that it mentions it is intended for the procurement manager. It also gives you the path. Okay, so that's how easy it is for you to create a document tool and use that in the AI agents. Hopefully that was helpful. Obviously, you can publish this. I don't want to publish it. You can save and close. And then if you want, you can publish this. When you save and close, because we didn't publish it, it is going to be in the draft section, not in the publish section. So make sure you check which tab you're on. Sometimes when you navigate to this screen, you're on the publish tab, you're working on something, it is in draft mode, you search for the agent team, you don't find it, don't panic. Just switch to the draft section or the tab, and then you'll be able to see the agent teams that you're working on. All right. So that's how easy it is to create a document tool. And obviously, this can be used with any document. Obviously, make sure you don't, you're careful with sensitive information in the documentation, but things like, about reports, details about the reports, any other documentation that you want the users to know about. Now this is available for them to access using AI agent. All right. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful. I'm going to make more videos on AI Agent Studio. The next one I'm going to show you is external REST. We will see how you can create an external REST to interact with Oracle EPM. So from ERP, how to interact with Oracle EPM. All right. Stay tuned for that. If you have any questions on this, make sure to put it in the comments, and there'll be more videos coming out. So please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all of your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and take care.